You know, it's a crazy world we live in when a cute little hippo is probably going to be making some of the craziest gains that you guys will experience in this bull run. Guys, this Solana meme coin based around this little pygmy hippo based out of Thailand has been going crazy with a new exchange listing that a lot of other meme coins do not have the privilege of sharing in. Listen, I'm super excited about this project. We've been covering it for a while and we've been covering it thoroughly very recently, and I'm super excited, guys. I think it's going to perform really well, and I think a lot of you are going to make a lot of money off of this play. Obviously, guys, none of this is financial advice, so please do your own research, your own due diligence before you invest into anything. But with that being said, guys, if you're new around here, my name is Ro. We talk about crypto literally every single day. I upload 2 to 3 videos every day. I also try to go live as often as I can. If you guys appreciate this type of content, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, and like today's video. Also, we hit 15,000 subscribers. I just want to say thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for all the support and the love that you guys pour in. And I could not be more grateful. Thank you guys. With that being said, let's hop into today's video. Now, obviously, first things first, we always like to start off by looking at CoinMarketCap, taking a holistic approach into this crypto here. You can see in the last 7 days, up 34.9%. In the last year, or sorry, the monthly, guys, we're basically hitting highs in the last 30 to 60 days of 0.3. We're kind of teeter-tottering around that area, but mind you, we are still pretty far out from previous all-time highs, right? The main all-time high of this thing, 0.62, which we ran up to in November, was about a $600 million market cap. And right now, we are sitting at basically just half of that. So, in my opinion, if you look at Moodeng as, oh, it's a guaranteed 2x, then yeah, absolutely, right? Again, not financial advice, because this is just my opinion. But also, guys, look at the volume. The sheer volume that this thing does is unlike any other project that I've seen so far, especially during the recent days. I have not seen meme coins do the volume that Moodeng is doing. Guys, the volume of this thing is literally like 2.5x the market cap. $750 million in volume, which is up 75%. Listed on a bunch of different places, guys. You can see the volume that it's getting just from Coinbase alone is 173 million. From OKX, they're getting 148 million. From Gate.io, they're getting 125 million dollars. There is no doubt in my mind that it's probably top 10 on all these exchanges right now for trading volume, easily, probably even top 5. And now, guys, I do want to say, you know, this bull run, it won't last forever, especially with the fear and greed index picking up again, 76 greed. You're going to want to take a very close look at the market to make sure that you are not going to be, riding your bags all the way to 100 and then all the way back to 0, right? You don't want to round trip your bags. You want to make sure you take profits. If you guys want to know exactly what cryptos I buy, sell, and hold when I take profits and all that fun stuff, make sure you check out the Memecoin Mastery, guys. You literally get access to notifications straight whenever I post. And also, guys, you have access to exclusive content that you can't find on YouTube, such as exit strategies, portfolios, technical analysis courses, all from myself, obviously. You guys can go take a look at the end. You get to be a part of an active trading community. There's investors in there from all different walks of life who are all basically after the same exact goal that you are. Now, Moodeng, one thing I love about this project is just the community around it, right? So there's so many celebrities, so many big brands out there that have taken a picture with Moodeng, or that have kind of curated their own images, their own memes using Moodeng in that picture, which obviously helps it to gain a lot of traction and a lot of popularity. Has over 1 billion views, 1 million plus fans, and $10 billion is programmed in for Moodeng. Now, as you guys can see here, the exchanges, Coinbase and Binance futures, right? We're still waiting on a spot listing from Binance, and I do believe that we will get that very, very soon. Now, what I love about this project, guys, is this right here, right? It is literally loved by millions, right? Universal Pictures, you have Phoenix Suns, New York Times, Microsoft Edge, Xbox, right? Like there's so many big brands, so many celebrities, and that's part of the reason as to why it's gotten so popular. And that's honestly why I think it's going to continue to do well, right? It has a community that transcends just the crypto space. And as you guys can see here, if we take a look at the hour, well, I don't want to take a look at the hourly. Let's take a look at the daily chart here. It is running, guys, okay? It is running massively, and it seems like there is a pretty huge resistance over here. Let me try to mark this off a little bit. where we previously left a wick and then acted as a support area. Seems like there's a lot of resistance here, guys. You can see in September, wasn't able to break through. After we did, it acted as good support in November. When price came back down in November, bounced off it again towards the upside for new all-time highs in December. Support held well in December 10th as well. But obviously, guys, when everything dipped, this support area flipped into a resistance area, and you can see here the touch off of this, and then basically the entire crash towards the bottom. Now from the bottom, we are up, but this support area is super strong, right? And after the support area, guys, there really isn't much resistance for us to break towards the upside. So after we conquer this area, after we flip this area into the support that we need, I really do think, guys, we're going to start a crazy move. Make sure you guys follow Moodeng over on X, guys, so that you stay up to date with all the information. Something that's super cool is they just got a new listing. Now, not a lot of cryptos get listed on Robinhood, right? Moodeng meets Robinhood. You can now find this year's cutest coin on the Robinhood app. Massive news, Moodeng and Mew, right? New Robinhood listing. Moodeng and Mew recently just got listed on Robinhood, the largest retail stock trading app in the US. Both tokens had positive price action reactions to the news. From a daily time frame perspective, both coins look primed for a strong move up in the short term. Moodeng already started the move and now consolidating for a potential continuation, while Mew is just starting its massive explosion towards the upside. Moodeng, guys, this is huge news to everyone that's holding. Congratulations. Moodeng, a clean break above the trend line with strong candle close. Holding above 0.29 is key. Just broke a descending trend line, first sign of bullish momentum. Price is above the cloud. Bullish structure is building. As you guys can see here, another member from the community, I just bought $10,000 worth of Moodeng the moment Robinhood listed it. Will Binance be next to list Moodeng? I really do hope so. Solana Memecoin up 19% in the past 24 hours as market rallies. The viral hippo seems ready to take off. Now, mind you guys, it's a lot easier to get listed on Binance US, right? Well, Binance US has a lot of compliancy like regulations. It's a lot easier to get listed on Binance.com, like, you know, international, than it is to get listed on Binance US. But what's harder to get listed on is Robinhood. Robinhood is so much harder to get listed on than Binance US because there's so much more compliance rules and regulations with that, because it is a stock market trading app first. So the fact that we just kind of skipped everything and we got listed on Robinhood is kind of crazy. Now, I don't doubt that we won't get listed on Binance very soon, but when that does happen, guys, it's going to be a crazy ride in this market. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like and subscribe. And again, guys, thank you for 15,000 subscribers. Would not be able to do this without God and without you guys always coming back and watching the videos. I really do hope you guys are entertained and educated, and I will see you guys next time. God bless y'all and peace out.